Signal 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah. Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, finally, XRP secret is revealed.
Wow.
Check this out. So someone just moved a couple days ago 12 billion worth of XRP for free. So basically what this happened, I just want to re-emphasize this, for free. Okay, so 12 billion worth of crypto was moved between two anonymous cryptocurrency wallets in a single transaction for only less than a penny. It's very important that they put this. It's about 0.0000157 USD. Can you imagine the current Ethereum today? Just to move a few coins, you're paying $30. But this person actually moved 12 billion and only paid less than 1 cent. This is one of the secret, the power of XRP. I'm going to reveal the second one shortly. So why it matters, cryptocurrency whales that have owned millions of dollars in XRP tend to move markets single-handedly. If the whale decide to exit this XRP position, there could be enough market impact to push the price of the coin down, right? So very important to keep eyes on the whales. But another thing to keep eyes on is, this is the second secret. The Rothschild-backed RIT Co. leads funding for crypto platform Aspen Digital. Now, I'll be talking about this particular family called the Rothschild shortly, the history of Rothschild. I may do a video. Let's see. So basically, RIT Capital Partners, an investment trust founded by Jacob Rothschild. We have to do some research on Jacob. Is a co-leading funding round of crypto investment platform Aspen Digital, intended to finance the creation of online platform that would give wealthy investors, right? The key point here, a single portal to manage crypto investments, right? So RIT will lead 8.8 million fundraising round in Hong Kong-based Aspen Digital, along with Liberty City Ventures, an early venture investor in the blockchain industry, Aspen said in a statement on Wednesday. Now, this fund will launch of the platform will expand to London. Yang He, co-founder and chief executive of Aspen Digital, told Reuters. Other investors include Chachaval Dhyaravanan. Wow, very tough to pronounce the name. I do apologize. Members of the Thailand's richest family and owners of Fortune magazine. Very powerful people, guys. Very powerful people. Aspen will target family officers, asset managers in Europe, Asia, and Middle East who wants to have a single portal from where they can build diversified crypto portfolio. It expects to go live later this year. To have the oldest wealth management family in the world putting trust in us as a platform solution. New World Crypto. Very cryptic, New world of crypto investment is a great validation, said Young. So I won't go on in terms of this news, but let me show you the Rothschild family. So Rothschild family is the most famous of all the European banking dynasties, guys. Dynasties, okay? Which for some 200 years exerted great influence on economic and indirect political history of Europe. So these are all the names of the people, right? Look at this guy. Very powerful, the way he stands. Leopold de Rothschild, 1970, right? This is another one, Mayer. Let me share with you something very astounding. I just show you this screen, but this is just a very short. This is the family tree of the Rothschild. So look at this. Very interesting. Let me just zoom this. Okay, they have been around for quite some time. Very powerful people in Europe and have influence all over. So you imagine that this is actually possible backed by the Rothschild family, and they are really heavily invested in cryptocurrency, especially XRP, right? So maybe, who knows, speculation, right? This wallet that moved 12 billion is maybe a Rothschild himself. So We'll do some research as we go. So Lulu Exchange Bank also alfalfa to boost cross-border payments via RippleNet. Now the partnership will enhance the overall cross-border payments in the UAE to Pakistan. So this XRP, right, RippleNet will be using. So RippleNet and XRP, yes, the token is the XRP in the blockchain. They are like the banker's coin for all the banks right now, being suppressed by the SEC. So can you imagine when they get that slap and fine and just pay that whatever millions? This kind of token, they will rank 3 XRP in 2019. They have dropped since in 7th place and stayed at the $1 area. So for it to actually explode, it's a no-brainer. So guys, I'm just sharing with you all this information. Still do your own research. I'm not influencing you to make the research, but I and Manish in Root Zones, we are heavily invested in XRP because we believe in terms of the speed as well as the network of wealthy people in the banking sector who will use this cross-border $12 billion being transferred from anywhere from China to maybe Europe, less than a penny. So think about that. I'll leave that in your minds. Do let us know in the comment section if you find any interesting news regarding XRP. Especially, we are calling out to the XRP army to, we want to join you guys in this race, and let's look forward to a great 2022 Q1 where the SEC will allow Ripple its final place in the crypto space, right? So that's all I have today. Manish, very interesting news.
Yeah,
back to you.
It's very interesting news. I'll be also covering something related to XRP only. There's some interesting fact. So we will run through this interesting fact today. So XRP is currency, one of the 10 biggest cryptocurrencies in the market cap. If the name does not ring a bell, you might be more familiar with its developer Ripple. Although the cryptocurrency is called XRP, some people use XRP and Ripple interchangeably. So let's talk about that 7 things you should know about XRP. First of all, with a strong use case and a high profile financial partnership, XRP has a plenty of room to grow, but there are also some obstacles that could hold it back. Before it make it to your next cryptocurrency investment, there are several things you should know and take a decision accordingly. So number 1, the thing you should know is it's a cryptocurrency designed for the financial institutions. As we mentioned just now, yeah, they are partnering with lots of financial institutions. And when investing in crypto, one of the most important thing is to look at a coin purpose. Many fall short in this area, and they don't have a defined purpose, or they do not do anything different than a dozen of their coin. XRP is unique in that it intended for a financial institution and payment service, unlikely other cryptocurrency that are aimed at a customer. In using XRP, bank and other financial company can transfer money without needing the pre-fund account in other countries or pay hefty foreign exchange fee. So you can imagine, just now Wayne mentioned that for few billions, the transaction fee is in some dollars only. So look at that.
One penny, one cent.
One penny.
Less than 1 cent.
Less than 1 cent. So who can give you this kind of service and this kind of feature where fraction of second your money can transfer around the world with almost negligible transaction fee? Yeah. So, and second one, its goal is to improve international money transfer. You should be aware also. I think you just now there was one use case where UAE to Pakistan people are using for a money transfer. So yes, this is another use case of XRP. Ripple has positions itself as a competitor to Swift. Swift is another payment method. The system most financial institution use of international money transfer. It offers a global payments network called RippleNet to facilitate cross-border transactions. Financial institution that use RippleNet have the option using XRP to their money transfer. However, the most Ripple partner avoid using XRP because it's volatile. Number 3, the transactions are fast and cheap. I think with one use case or from one example, you might have come to know already that the transactions are very fast and cheap. The two biggest advantage of XRP is the speed and low cost of every transaction. A standard transaction on Ripple cost 0.04 times 0 and 1 XRP. That's small fraction of a penny at the current XRP price of under $1. The average transaction time is just 5 seconds. Overall, XRP is a very efficient way to money transfer. See, in the case of emergency, if in hospital somebody is going for in an operation theater and you have to transfer some used money across the country, you see how beneficial it is that in just 5 seconds you can transfer our money. Number 4, it can partnership with over 300 financial company. 100 of financial company across more than 40 countries have signed up to use Ripple. Here are a few examples. American Express, Bank of America, Banco Standard, TransferGo, ZenPay. My God, you name it, they have all the leading brands who's collabing with this XRP. It still has a long way to go to catch its biggest competitor. To put things perspective, Swift has over 11,000 partner compared to Ripple with over 300. So Swift has 11,000 partner and Ripple has over 300 partner. But Swift has also been around since 1970 and Ripple launched in 2012. So its results so far is encouraging. So in very short span of time, so much partnership they have on it. It's not the easy thing. Number 5, the SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple. SEC. So Ripple has found itself in a lawsuit with the SEC. The lawsuit, which has filed in December 2020, accused Ripple for selling 1.3 billion worth of unregistered securities. The unregistered security is a question is the XRP currency. Ripple has defended itself by stating that XRP is not a security. This court case is ongoing. Although it's a reason to be cautious about XRP, it could be a reason to invest if you think the case will go Ripple way. A favorable outcome for a Ripple could lead to a price increase for XRP. In addition to Ripple planning to go public through an IPO when the case ends, which could also potential drive up XRP price. So I think I'm going to keep close eyes on this case and whether it's lose or win, but definitely there'll be something exciting about XRP. Number 6, it's a trending well below its all-time high from 2018. Quite a few cryptocurrency have shattered their previous high in 2021, but XRP is an exception. Its high point as of January 2018, and when it's briefly reached a price of $3.84. So XRP has followed the rest of the crypto market ups and down to an extent, and a price hit $1.96 in April this year. It has since dropped about 0.84 at the time of this news I'm reading. The smaller gain of XRP compared to the other coin is likely to consequence of the SEC lawsuit. So let's see what's the outcome of lawsuits. Number 7, there are not many places to buy XRP in the United States. It's not easy in US resident to buy XRP right now. Another consequence of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple is that several of the top cryptocurrency exchanges delisted XRP. Fortunately, there are still a few places you can buy it, including CoinMama, KuCoin, Uphold. There are many, I think, in Gate.io, OP, Gemini. So there are a lot. Buy and Okay, and anyway, this is just and for a knowledge purpose. I'm not influencing you for buying it, but yes, with for us, it has a very good potential to go further, and we are eyeing on the lawsuit when the results going to be out, when the verdict is going to be out. Definitely, this will be a game changer project. All right, that's all I have it.
Thanks, Manish. Yeah, very good reminder on the 7 things about XRP. A price prediction for XRP before the lawsuit at the SEC in Q1 of 2022 is at $4, right? Because
Yeah.
based on the technical chart, when it
$3.
after the lawsuit, we can look at the price 20. Some people out there are talking about $10,000 per coin. Is that true or not? You let us know. You comment in the section below. So that's all we have. Let's see what's happening over the market. Great confidence happening in the market. The US stock market, of course, normal as usual. Nothing to do with the Evergrande. They paid the fine. I mean, they paid their the debts that they owe partial. So things are moving as planned. Nice green spot, not as dark as we want, but we saw some good sign in terms of Bitcoin, Ethereum. Most of the premium coins are moving, but we are still in alt season now based on our own analytics. So maybe soon we will all move back to the premium coins, right? So 14,000 coins, 400 exchanges, $2.8 trillion. BTC 43.2, Ethereum 19.5, taking 70% of the market. Top 3 coins, Taboo, Maticverse, and Light. This Maticverse, Metaverse, right? So it's very, sometimes you got to pronounce it correctly. So Bitcoin down by up by 1.07, Ethereum up by 2.11, BNB down by 2.48, Solana up by 1.63, Cardano up by 0.65, XRP climbing up 0.43, Polkadot 1.75, and Doge 9th place, slightly down by 0.5, and this is a stable coin. Price prediction still remains the same, guys. 100 to 250 for Bitcoin, Ethereum 10 to 15,000, BNB 1,000, Solana 250 to 300, Cardano 3 to 5, XRP $20, Polkadot 85 to 100, and Doge $1. This is a price now. Look at XRP. Highest you've ever hit was $1.96. Lowest was 0.17, 17 cents to $1.96. And it been this way for quite some time, many years for now.
Yeah.
Even if you look at the monthly chart, let's look at the monthly chart. Let's see how they were doing, how they fare. Since today we are talking about XRP. Look at these guys. XRP started in 1st of May 2018. And when it started was $1.90. We actually hit that price sometime this year. So you can see that we had a slight fall, but we will make it up again. XRP, great community, the XRP army. Let's look also at the total market cap. Right now it's 2.8 trillion, so it's an uptrend on a monthly chart. Great move. As you can see, the adoption happened only sometime. Let's see, this date is 1st of November. So only after 1st of November 2020, guys, did the crypto started to boom. So you can see large adoption, and that's why the $1 trillion has risen. Bitcoin also seeing great moves. We have been the highest since the birth of Bitcoin. So that's something. When the mother moves, Ethereum also will follow suit. So you can look at Ethereum up. Look, Solana just started. So of course you can see very big, large volume of candles. Matic also are moving up. XRP, great moves. The whole entire market is up in the crypto. Although when you zoom in, sometimes you get fearful. You see that the thing is dipping. You get a bit worried. When you zoom out, the entire market is moving. It's a very nice symphony, and I just prove it to you. Look at Bitcoin, high. Look at Ethereum, high. Look at Solana, 4. Look at Matic, right? So always zoom out so you can see the bigger picture and know that inside each candle has a story, has a FUD, has a FOMO. So don't get caught by this. Always see the future and invest in the future that is yet to come. So stock to flow model, very close, guys. Going to hit the a blue line, and once we hit, maybe we might go back down, or maybe we would push beyond 100,000, as what Cathy Woods has said, 250,000, and a few other influencers and authority in this space, right? So blockchain, of course, has been ever growing, right? More adoption, more money. If you're watching this, you are early. It's not 10 years. It's only been about 1 year that crypto suddenly became easy. There's more exchanges, easy to sign up. Some note that doesn't ask you for KYC. So always take note. And total hash rates is going up again. So very nice. 20 short of 180 once we reach that. And we are already on Taproot. So that's what is giving this nice momentum. So not Taproot, Uproot. Taproot or Uproot? Keep forgetting. Taproot. Yeah, Bitcoin. So that's all I have today about the markets. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Same time, same channel.
With this, we end up for today. We wrap up and see you tomorrow, guys.
Take care.
Take care.